Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them.
Weird. Somebody's boots on the road. What's up, you little dirt monkeys? Alright, it's Friday. 3 o'clock. Just pulling into the shop. We just got a call. One of the neighboring buildings back there had some bad washout. They got a bunch of potholes, and we're gonna see how fast we can make $2,000. So we're gonna go get a load of crushed asphalt, fill in the holes on the material, and then yeah, we're gonna see how fast we can do this. We charge them $2,000. So time us. It's 3:06. Gotta pull in, get hooked up the trailer, and head to get the material. Let's go. Alright guys, it's 3:30. We just got loaded with material. Heading back to the job site. Should be there in about 20 minutes. Let's go. Time's ticking. Got the dump trailer all loaded. Got about 9.5 tons on there. Roughly cost, I want to say, I think I just came, yeah, 125 or something like that. So we got 125 into this so far, and we'll show you what we end up with. All right, back in the shop. We're gonna dump this load real quick. Crushed asphalt. There's the big old hole.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God